How to fix treadmill E6 error code. Step 1. Power cycle the treadmill. Turn the treadmill off, unplug it from the wall outlet, wait 30 to 60 seconds, then plug it back in and restart it. A simple reboot can clear temporary software or communication faults. Step 2. Let the motor cool down. If the error appeared after a long workout, leave the treadmill unplugged for 30 minutes, restart it once the motor has cooled. An overheated motor or motor controller can trigger an E6 error on many treadmills. Step 3. Inspect all wiring. Remove the motor cover. Check the wiring between the console, motor controller, drive motor, and the speed sensor. Reseat any loose connectors. Replace any damaged or pinched wires. Loose or damaged wiring is one of the most common causes of an E6 error. Step 4. Check the speed sensor. Locate the speed sensor near the front roller or motor pulley. Clean away any dust or debris. Ensure it's aligned with a magnet. Adjust the gap if necessary. Step 5. Inspect the walking belt. Check if the walking belt moves freely. Lubricate it if needed, and replace a worn belt or deck if there's excessive friction. Step 6. Inspect the drive motor. Listen for unusual noises, look for signs of overheating, such as bad smell or smoke, then check whether the motor starts when the treadmill is powered on. If the motor won't run or overheats repeatedly, it may need repair or replacement. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.